He goes back. Amankwa with a clearance. Nobody in particular. Ball goes to the body of the carrier and cleared, and out it goes for a throw-in. Throw-in for Hearts of Oak, who know they must chase this game at this stage. Dramani's team are chasing it, and Kotoko bringing up substitution again. Baba Yaya is coming on for Seth Kwajo. Baba Yaya, John Kotoko from Kumaskin Faisal. And look at that. Rafael Amponsa is pushing Seth Kwajo, and referee don't have any of that. Referee says yellow card if you misbehave, and that's so.
Well, he's taking his time to get off the pitch, and again the emotions would come. It is not just a President's Cup. Anytime it is football, Asante Kotoko.